Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove contact from Messenger who are not in your friend list. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Open your Messenger app, and the next thing you want to do is tap on people and tap on the contact sign. So these are the list of people that I have on my Facebook friend list and the people that are in my contact list. So what I'm gonna do is find the person and tap on the information sign right next to their name, and just tap on remove contact and tap on remove. So they are removed. So I'll just show it to you one more time. So just tap on the information sign right here and tap on remove contact and tap on remove once again. So that is how you basically remove people who are in your contact list but appear on Messenger. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did so, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys the next time.